Hey, what's going on, guys? Excuse me. Corey with the Yard Boy. Gotta tell you, this is a surprise this morning because the weatherman was wrong. Weatherman said it was supposed to rain last night and all day today, and it's not raining. So we're gonna go out and hit a few yards, and it's probably gonna start raining around lunchtime. But we're gonna try to get what we can today until the rain moves in, and then we're gonna come back and clean the mower up, change oil in it, and do all kind of service needs to be done to it that's way overdue that needing to be done. So hang tight, guys. Let's go. Morning, guys. Pulling up here to the first yard of the day, and like I said earlier, got some rain on the way today. Don't really know how long I'm gonna get to run, but going to try to knock out just as many as possible until that rain gets here. So what footage I'm gonna get you today is probably gonna be up here on my head strap mount, just so I don't have to be moving the camera around a lot, just to save that little bit of time. So you've seen this yard here several times, and may try to get you one or two more today as well. And like I said, we're just gonna run till the rain, the thunderstorms move in, and then we're going to spend the rest of the day servicing the mower, changing oil, things like that, and cleaning it up a little bit because she's getting a little dirty and it's starting to kind of get on my nerves. So hang tight, we're going to get started on this one. times before, and that's, in case I haven't told you before, that's like one of my original Spring Hill yards. This is about at least 12, maybe 13 years that I've been mowing that yard. I mean, mow the thing in my sleep, y'all. So, it's starting to cloud up a little bit in places. I'm not worried yet. But, what I am doing, getting my spark in, and got a new flavor. I haven't had the chance to try it yet, but this is a cranberry peach orange. Just released a few weeks back, and my wife said, hey, I need some of that, I need to try that, it sounds great. And so I got her some, and she's hid it from me, and I haven't had to try it. I haven't had a chance to try it yet. And this morning at the chiropractor's office, the receptionist noticed my Advocare hat. She said, have you tried this? I said, no, I haven't. My wife has taken it from me and not letting me try it. So she gave me a pack. She gave me a pack to try. I'm always giving people samples of Spark to try. It's been a long time since somebody gave me one to try. So actually, I think I had a customer a couple years ago that's a representative, and they gave me a new flavor to try one day. But hey, got it in my shaker bottle this morning. Got some good cold water with it. Let's see what we got here. Yep. Kind of got an orange juice. Can taste the cranberry juice in there with it. That's pretty darn good, y'all. That could be my new morning wake up juice. It's been cherry for a while, but this one could take the place, of course, as long as it lasts anyway. It's a limited edition flavor. But hey, we're gonna get on down the road here a little piece, and there's a customer's neighbor going by. Always real friendly. We're gonna get on down the road here a little piece, see if we can't knock another one out. This one coming out, if I'm able to do it. I was trying to do it yesterday, and he had some folks there at the house working and were in my way, so I had to put it off. But this will be a 100% walk behind mower today. You couldn't get the Turf Tiger in there if your life depended on it, just because it's a small yard. It tends to be a little soft, so I don't want to rut it up with a big mower. And the way they've got some trees and whatnot planted in it, and of course the neighbors as well got things planted, you just can't get a big mower in it. So that's why I have that little Toro, and we'll get that out and get that knocked out and try to get a few more before this rain gets here today. So hang tight, we're gonna run on down the road here just a little piece. Hey there, guys. It's about 7 o'clock. I'm headed home, and not long after, got about 3 yards in this morning, and then the storms rolled in. So I spent the rest of the afternoon running some errands, picking up some parts, and dropping off a trimmer at the dealer that needed to be repaired, and luckily found out it was under warranty. I thought the warranty had already run out on it, so that's good. And so didn't get to film anything else for you today, and just kind of a half day, but got some things done, just some loose ends tied up that need to be taken care of. So be back out at it tomorrow, and tomorrow is Thursday, and so I'm in pretty good shape for Thursday. And then Friday we'll be in Franklin getting those taken care of, hopefully, and try to get you some footage across those days. Appreciate you tuning in, stopping by. If you would, drop me a like. If you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel, turn those notifications on. And hey, I just appreciate y'all stopping by and watching me out here mowing these yards every day. Trying to get back in the routine of getting you some footage every day. I'll just be honest with you, the last week or so has been kind of crazy. So I didn't get a whole lot of footage for you. I don't think I've had a video in about a week or so. So just trying to get back into that routine and getting everything rolling like it needs to, because spring is here. We're headed into May, and hopefully about to get out of all this quarantine and coronavirus crap, because I'm so fed up with it. Ready for everybody to get back to life and work and doing the essential work of America out here every day. Hey, y'all keep them straight out there. I'll holler at you next time. See you.